Access denied. You don't have permission to access Vudu.com on this server. Wow, this is the ugliest error message I've ever seen from all the streaming websites I'm checking out. And I made videos for, I don't know, like 6-7 streaming websites like Peacock, Pluto TV, and Roku. And Vudu TV has a very ugly error message. So if you're outside the US and you want to use Vudu.com, then you might see this message, and the solution for this problem is very easy. If you're outside the US, you need an internet service provider that lets you enter the internet via the US, and basically that's a VPN. I'm personally using ExpressVPN, and if you're interested in a good VPN provider, below in the description I offer 3 options: ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and ViperVPN. And also in the comments I will add the links to those services. You can use those VPNs on all devices you can imagine, even on your TV, on your router, on your whatever device, on your browser, and so on, even on your game consoles. And also ViperVPN offers many entry locations, and also NordVPN. But I'm personally using ExpressVPN, as you can see. And here I'm showing you how to use this. So I installed this VPN on my laptop, but you can also use this on your smartphone, any model you have, basically. And then you can choose the location where you want to enter the internet, and that's why these services cost something. There are some free VPNs, but they are all mostly dangerous. They're a privacy nightmare, but they can also hack your device and use your internet connection to do criminal stuff on the internet, and then you will be implicated for anything that happens. So be very careful with any free VPNs. That's why I'm not recommending any. So I'm using ExpressVPN, and ExpressVPN lets me choose locations all around the world. I can choose the continent, I can choose the country, and even within specific countries I can choose many different locations. So with some streaming services, if I choose Washington DC, for example, there might be a problem. Maybe I can log in, but then the videos are not playing. There is some kind of error message. Then just go back and change the location to a different location in the US, and then it probably might work. And if several locations don't work, just write the support from ExpressVPN. They're paid to help you, and that's their business model. They're a premium service, and they will usually help you. So now I'm connected via ExpressVPN through Washington DC. This means that my entire internet connection is encrypted. My internet service provider does not know what I'm doing. And also now I can access any US media, any US streaming sites, or whatever in the US. And now if I try to reload this page, then you can see I can access the normal Vudu website, and it does not show me any error message again. And I'm just choosing the free movies option, and let's just try one. Which one shall we choose? Let's try What Last Bus. Doesn't sound super interesting, but let's watch free with ads. And you might have to sign up with your email and password. And as you can see now, it's playing some advertising, but I logged in before, or I signed up with a 10-minute mail actually, but you can use your own email address and a password, and then you can use this in the future. Or maybe you already have a Vudu account but could not use it because you're somewhere abroad. So anywhere, if you're outside the US, you can use ExpressVPN or the other VPNs to access Vudu. And now you can see it starts to play the movie. And I'm not allowed to show you a lot, but you can see that it's actually playing, and that's all I'm going to show you. So basically, yeah, I can watch all those movies by using ExpressVPN, although I'm way outside of the US. And yeah, as I mentioned before, below I have a list with 3 VPNs I would recommend. Out of security reasons, I cannot recommend any free VPNs, but yeah, I'm using ExpressVPN myself, and there is a price, but it works great with any device you can imagine. And so now I can choose any movie, or if you well, sign up for a paid version, then you can also watch the paid movies for different prices. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope now you can watch Vudu and all the other free streaming websites that you want to watch from the US, outside the US.